Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understanding why you might want to download Reels without watermarks. Whether you're a content creator wanting to repurpose videos or just saving memories, removing the watermark gives you cleaner footage to work with. Step 2. Finding a reliable third-party downloader. You'll want to search for reputable Reels downloader websites that specialize in removing Instagram branding. Look for sites with good user reviews and security certifications to keep your data safe. Step 3. Copying your Instagram Reel link. Navigate to the Reel you want to download, click the Share button, and select Copy Link. Make sure you're grabbing the direct Reel URL, not someone's profile link. Step 4. Pasting the link into the downloader tool. Go to your chosen downloader website and paste the copied link into their download field. Most tools have a simple interface where you just paste and click download. Step 5. Selecting your download quality and format. Choose your preferred resolution like 720p or 1080p, then select whether you want an MP4 or other video format. Download the file and it'll save to your device without the watermark. Always respect creators' content and only download what you have permission to use.